Okay, Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today in this video, I'll be showing you how to create OSPF and an RIP routing protocol using Cisco device. So we're gonna use NetAcad as our simulation for the network topologies by virtually. And let's get started. Wait. Okay, so for the first one, you can just open the Cisco Packet Tracer app, and you can take some routers here. So I'm going to use router to 2911, and just so for the first one we're going to make the air IP one. So you can just take like this one. Yes, and let's get a PC here. So we have a two PC here, and then connect all of this together. So yeah, this one. So you can use this automatic connection type. So basically, uh, if for manually we can use like this one. So it can be manually like the port will connect to the gigabit Ethernet, which one console or something else. But this is more accurate. And after that, if we done if we done, so it will be like this. So this is for the RIP1. Okay, like this. So this is the router one, router 0, router 1, and router 2, and also PC 0 connect to with router 0, and also and also PC 1 connect to router 2. So uh, let's give an IP. So for the PC 0, we're gonna give the IP like around like this, and 2 subnet mask. Okay, and the gateway with be like this. I mean the default gateway will be like this, and the NS server with 8 to DNS Google. We're done. So we go to router 0, go to CLI, no, and enable on the and also interface G 0 to 0 0 0. So we give an IP address with 10 10 and 1 and 252, and that's it, and no shutdown. Okay, it's all done. So we go to interface G01. So we give it an IP address like the default gateway, so it will be 1 and 0 and no shutdown. Okay, and X and right. Okay, so as you can see here, so it it's already connected because the cable is have a green light. So we go to here also, no, and enable the interface G00. So here we gave an IP address like 10, but 2, also the same one, no shutdown, and X. So we go to interface G01 and give an IP address 20 with 1 and 20 and 252. Wait, 252? I don't think so. 253 maybe. Let's check it out first. Mm, oh, yeah, it's correct. And also the no shutdown, yes, and X and to right. Okay, it's all done. So if we send a package from router 1 to router 0 to router 1, it's wait, it's failed. Once again. So it's successful. So we go to router 2. If we gave an IP here, enable and conf and also interface G00 IP address to 20 255 and 252 and now it's down X and also in G01 and also the address to 100 192 68 168 and 20 and 1 5 to 5 to 5 and 0. Yes, and we shut down and also X and do right. Okay. So basically do right is for saving our configurations. So it's not so when we close this file, it will not disappear. So yeah, it's more yeah, it's just save tools. So 162, 20 and 2. Yeah, this is for the PC1. C1 and the default gateway is our router IP. Yes, and okay, and it's all done. But I forgot to start. So the first one should do is RIP. Okay, so let me just go here. So we go to the left router. So the first one is yeah, it's heavy enable. So we type router and RIP. Okay. Oh, the first one is conf. Okay, and router RIP. It's enter and go to version 2. So because RIP have a two version, the first version is version 1 and the second version is version 2. And version 2 is more updated than version 1, of course. And network and give it the number 10 10 10. Yeah, is it? Yes. So yeah, and also the public. Yes, and no auto summary. Yes, and X, and it's done. Do it, and also the same for this one. So we go to router IP and version 2 and also network 10 and network for 20 and no auto summary and X and do right. Okay, and also for this one, router RIP and version 2 network 20 and network to this one and no auto summary and exit I mean and to okay, so let's check it out. Is it have already connect all together so we can give a send package from the PC0 to PC1. So let's try. Okay, for the first one is failed, so you can see here the status. Okay, let's try again from here to here, and it's already successful. How about this? Successful. And how about this? Yes, it's already successful. For manually, we can check from here from one of the router. and type it like do show IP root, and more specifically RIP, and that's it. You can see here all the IP that all of the RIP root RIP that has been root. Yeah, this. Okay, so this is for the RIP. Second one, I'm gonna give the tutorial of a OSPF. So it's almost the same. The first one is you can you can take a three routers here, and the end device I'm gonna use laptop from here. Three laptop. Okay, like this one. Okay, so let's use this more compact. Oh, wait. I prefer to use the Ethernet 0 to 0 first, 0 to 1, and after that like this. Yes, like this. Okay, so after that, yeah, make it more tidy up. Okay, so we give the IP. So I'm gonna give this is 169 190 199 192 168 and 10, and this is for the 20, the 30, and this is like 10 10 10, and slash the prefix is slash 30, and also this is slash 30, and also this slash 24 24 and 24. So let's get started. So for the first one, you can just go IP configurations, and this one 10 to subnet mask, and the default gateway 1, and this server. Okay, it's done for this one. Okay, 20 and 2, yes. 1 and 8, also 8. This one also. C and 1. Okay, 6 and 2. 6 and 1. DNS server is 8. Okay, it's done. So we go to here. So 3, no. So for the first one is we give the IP address. It's G00 with IP address of 10 1 slash no 25 and 2. No shutdown, and X interface G01, and IP address with this one 0, and no shutdown X. Okay, so and to run. Okay, it's for the router. For the first router here, it's done. So for this one, for the center one, and COM interface G00 with IP address of 10 but 2 25 25 25 and 252, and also shut down X and go to interface G01. So this is for the right command, and IP address with 21 25 25 25 and 252. Now shut down X interface G02, and gave this one 25 25 25 and 0. Now shut down and X. Okay, and it will be connect. Yes. And for the last one is this. network conf interface G00 with the IP address of 22, 25, 25, 25, and 252, and then we should down, yes, and X interface G01 with IP address of this one, CN1, 25, 25, 25, and 0, and no shutdown. Okay, and X. Okay, for the first one, we have an router ID, so remember it. So we have, so we should have an router ID. Okay, so here, okay. For the first one is we have an router ID, and after that, and also the name of OSPF. It's almost the same. So the first one is router and OSPF, and with the name. So OSPF name should be with a numbers. It's just like for the mark. So if we search what kind of which OSPF that has been connect, if we have a lot of OSPF, so we should have a name of it. So we have a name. So I mean for this one, I mean OSPF 10 for this one, and also we give in router ID. It's for the first one. For this area, I'm gonna give one router ID 1, router ID 2, and router ID 3. But it should have four number of it. So just like IP, I'm gonna give like 0, 0, and 1. Okay. And second one is we should add the network, the IP family, and also the wildcard mask, and also the area. Okay. Okay. Let's go. So for the first one is network. So I'm gonna connect it with, so for the first one, because this router one, so I'm gonna with 10 first. So this is for the IP of router 0 to router 1, for the 0 to router 1, I mean 0 to router 1, and give the wildcard mask 0, 0, 0, and 3, yes, and area 0, okay, and make it the same. This 10 and 0, 0, 0, 0, and 2, 5, 255, and area 0, and passive interface of G0 and G0 and 1, okay, and X. Okay, it's all done. So this is for the OSPF 1, 10, and yeah, do right first. Oh, no, it's typo. Wait, yeah, and do right. Okay, this one. And also for this one, for the uh, for the middle one, it's a OSPF 10. It could be 20, it could be anything, but it should be a number. And router ID, but for the router ID should be different. So we can't give it like 0, 0, 0, and 1 because we have used it before. So it should have a different. So the second one I'm gonna use 2, and also the network 10, and wildcard mask, and the area is 0, okay, and net 20, 0, 0, 0, and 3, area 0, okay, and network, oh, still loading, okay, and network, this one, uh 20 and 0, 0, 0, 0, and 2, 5, 5, 5, and area 0, okay, and passive. So passive interface used if for the cable that connect to end device. So if there's no end device, yeah, you just forget about it. Yeah, forget about this passive interface. So in passive interface, just use for for the cable from our router that connect to end device. End device just like such as like laptop, PC, something else. Okay, so because this router connect to laptop one uh, by using gigabyte Ethernet 0/2. So we're gonna mark it passive interface. Okay, and X and do right. Okay, so it's all done. And for the last is this one. And okay, router OSPF 10 router ID with 000 and 3. Yeah, network 220 0 and 000 and 3 and areas 0. Okay, and network this one 310 255 areas 0. Okay, okay, and it's all done. Passive interface G01. Okay, and X and 2 right. And let's see, is it work or no? I hope it's work. So we have sent it, so we should send a package from this to this for trying is it successful or not, because it's more simple because uh, usually people use ping for checking the connect connect connect. I mean, for checking is it connect or no. Let's check. Oh, it's actually successfully. And how about this? Successful. And how about this? And also successful. If you want to try to see your OSPF on your router, so it's also same. So uh, do show IP route and more specifically OSPF, more specific OSPF, and also yeah, you can see, and it's all done. Okay, so this is for the OSPF one, and so this is for the IP. Okay, and that's it. Okay, maybe that's all from me. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoy this video. I have, I hope this video are really useful for you learning about Cisco also. Thank you for watching and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.